Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set reminders in Google Calendar so you never miss an important meeting, appointment, class, or personal event. This complete 2026 guide is easy to follow and perfect for beginners. First, open Google Calendar in your browser. Click the Create button and choose Event. Now enter a title for your event. After that, select the date and choose the start and end time for your event. As you can see, Google Calendar automatically adds a reminder that says notify 10 minutes before. This means you will receive a notification 10 minutes before the event starts, helping you prepare in advance and avoid missing your schedule. You can keep this reminder as it is, or change it to another time such as 30 minutes, 1 hour, or even 1 day before the event. After checking the reminder, click the Save button. Your event will now appear on your calendar with the reminder attached. If you want to change the reminder later, simply click on the event, open the Edit option, and update the notification time. Using reminders in Google Calendar is a great way to stay organized and receive alerts before important events. That's it. This is the easiest way to set reminders in Google Calendar in 2026. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.